Hello, I'm Leonard Sparks from COSI. Good to see you again. Time to take another look at an aspect of science. Let's focus on something called surface tension, a property of liquids that we sometimes take for granted. I'm going to present you with a small challenge. The question is, how many drops of water you think could fit on top of a penny? That's right, a penny. Drops of water. Now I have a wonderful device here. I have attached my penny to a screw and of course mounted the screw to a board because I like it when my penny sets up above in the air like that and I can see what I'm doing. You don't have to do it this way. You can just set your penny down on a flat surface or table. I have also a wonderful science tool called the Pipette. It allows me to take a small amount of water at a time, and this is something that mom and dad and older brothers and sisters can help their children with. Medicine dropper, or you can get a pipette at a supply store, and you squeeze, pushing the air out, and then you unsqueeze, and of course the liquid is drawn up into the pipette. That has to do with pressure. All right, how many drops of water can fit on the top of a penny? You'll be surprised. Make a prediction. I'll pause just for a moment. Who said 10? Who said 20? I'll give you a little surprise here. The last time I did this, the most I could do was 48. I have known people to get as many as 65 or 75 drops of water. What's the problem? Well, we'll talk about that. Let's start. I will now count the size of the drops and how far you drop them away. I will focus in. You can focus down here with me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 and I can still go with some more. The size of the drops and how far you drop them away. If you could focus on this and get down, you'll notice the water is bubbling up on the top. In physics, we call that a meniscus. A meniscus, a physical property. See if you can focus on that, and believe it or not, it can rise even more. Remember, surface tension, the capacity of a liquid and its molecules to hold themselves together, a property of chemistry we know as adhesion, or actually cohesion. Those are two different things. If you don't know, do some homework.